Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are doing another VR accessory review for your Meta Quest 2 headset. Today we're looking at this traveling carry case for your headset by Kiwi Design. On the website you can see it retails for $42.99, and you can also see they have many other quality VR accessories that you can check out as well, many of which I've done reviews for. If you haven't checked out any of my other reviews, I will link those below so that you can find all of them. Today in this one we're going to be unboxing it. We will be showing you how to put your Quest 2 into this case, and then I'll give you my review and thoughts in the end as well. So let's jump into it. Okay, this one came in a bag actually. It didn't come in a box, the classic Kiwi box, unfortunately. So let's open this up. Nice, solid, durable. Little lens cover as well, and a little bag here. There we go. It doesn't. This one didn't come with any instruction manuals or anything. Here we've got another little strap that you can use to obviously tie things down. Alright, there's everything that came in it. Now let's see how everything fits. Alright, so this one didn't come with a user manual to show how everything fits, so I did look it up on their website, and it will fit with their Elite strap on it. This little bag here is for like your charging cables and things like that, which we're not really using here. Your controllers go on this side. There's these little straps on the bottom that fit your controllers. They just hold them down. Maybe I'll just put these little things back in here for now. And for the headset itself, if you have the battery Elite strap on, then this little back plate actually needs to come off, so that this can sit more. Looks like I might need to take this little guy off too. And they can just sit inside down there. And then the cord kind of goes through the middle there. Oh, actually, sorry, I forgot one step. The headset itself can be strapped down with that cable in the middle there. There you go, you can zip it up there, so everything is nice and snug in there. You can hear a little bit if I could shake it in one direction. This is a nice hard case. They say it is scratch resistant. So yeah, that's pretty good actually. Pretty compact for holding an Elite strap. If you had a Halo strap, that would not fit in this one, but the Kiwi Elite strap does fit in its own case, and you hope it would. So after trying out the case, here are my pros and cons. I like that it fits tight. Everything in there is nice and snug. You're not going to have things juggling around or banging up against each other. I like that there's room for the Elite strap that fits the Kiwi one. It would fit some other ones as well. It wouldn't fit a Halo strap though. The case itself is nice hard material. It's scratch proof, it's moisture proof. That means that water could get in through the zipper area, but if you spill something on the top of it, it's not going to soak through. I like that it comes with a lens protector, a little mesh bag to hold some things inside there as well. And it's a nice compact small design. In terms of cons, I don't like that you have to disassemble things to make them fit. So if you have the Elite strap, Elite battery strap by Kiwi, you have to take off the back padding, you have to take off the cord holder on the side in order to make things fit. It's nice when you can just kind of actually just put things in, you don't have to take the time to disassemble them. There isn't much room for accessories. You could fit some small things. I'm thinking like if you have prescription lenses, maybe a different little type of charger kind of thing. But if you have like controller extensions and things like that, they're probably not going to fit. If you have different controller grips, those would probably be okay on the controllers, but that would be about it for something like this. It is designed to be very compact and just kind of hold the necessities. So thank you for watching this one. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, please do so. I will link that playlist below. Check out the Kiwi Design website for all their other products. They've got some really good products there. Make sure you like this one and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And we'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, artist.